Hello everyone, I will show you how to import purchase orders on BigSeller in this video. With this feature, you do not need to create purchase orders one by one. Instead, you can import a file to BigSeller and create purchase orders in bulk. Now you can go to BigSeller Purchase Orders. Click Import Purchase Orders. Here you can download a template to see the format required. There are three required information: provisional number, SKU name, and purchase quantity. If you purchase several products in one purchase order, you can enter the same provisional number. Then BigSeller will combine these SKUs to one purchase order. For example, I have finished this file. These 5 products are in one purchase order, so I enter the same provisional number and fill in the first line for other fields, for example, supplier, ship fee, and other fields. After entering all fields, you can back to BigSeller. Here you can select a receiving warehouse. Then upload this file to BigSeller. Click Confirm. Upload successfully. Here you can check these purchase orders here. Then you can select these purchase orders and click Submit in bulk. Then these purchase orders have been moved to on the wait list. After you receive these orders from your supplier, you can go to Inventory, Purchase Receiving to receive these products to your warehouse. Then click Confirm. Then these purchase orders will be moved to completed. Okay guys, it is all about how to import purchase orders to BigSeller. Please contact us if you have any other questions.